I'm Dr. John Carr, and I am a doctor of veterinary medicine.
One growing career opportunity in the Gilbert community is that of veterinary science. Dr. John Carr of the Animal Hospital on Val Vista and Warner provided some insight into this field.
This is our surgery room, where we do spays and neuters and just about every kind of surgery that we've done. And then over here is our treatment area, where hospitalized animals stay in the cages here, and there's another bank of cages here. These are my technicians who are working on a patient on the table. I knew that I wanted to become a veterinarian when I was really young. I was probably only 7 or 8 years old. I grew up on a cattle ranch in southern Arizona, so I was around animals constantly. It was something that just kind of naturally progressed. I obviously love the animals, but I really like working with people. This is a people business. I also love medicine, and I think that medicine is fascinating, and I think that that's something that for someone who wanted to go into a field, a high school student who wanted to become a veterinarian, that's probably the thing that I would tell them that you have to like the most. One misconception about being a veterinarian that is important for people to understand, it's that you have to really love animals. Veterinarians, obviously we like animals or we wouldn't be in this profession, but I think it's interesting that a lot of people who think they want to become a veterinarian come and work with a veterinarian for a day or a week or a month and realize that it's not for them, because we hurt animals. We do it every day, and you have to be willing to hurt them in order to help them. Not everyone is willing to do that. Most people will have a bachelor's degree or even a master's degree before they're even accepted into veterinary school. The time commitment, veterinary school is 4 years. Most of the time getting a bachelor's degree is 4 years, so it can be 8 to 10 years of college easily. The selection process for veterinary medicine is competitive. It's harder to get into veterinary school than it is to get into medical school. And you have to have good grades, you have to know how to study. And I think that those things are things that are critically important for someone who wants to become a veterinarian. I actually think veterinary medicine is kind of a recession-proof business because it's based on love. When the economy kind of went south a few years ago, we still remain fairly busy here. The reason that I'm here is because people love their pets.
If veterinary science seems like something you would be interested in, stop by and talk to Dr. Carr to find out more.